Hi, my name is Carly Auer, and I'm a classical homeopath at Our Family Homeopathy in Mesa, Arizona. I have two children who have been raised on homeopathic medicine. Homeopathy has been such a gift in our lives, and I'm so happy today to be here to share it with you. I'm a graduate of the American Medical College of Homeopathy in Phoenix, Arizona, and on behalf of AMCH, we would like to welcome you to our new self-help homeopathy program. I invite you to visit us at selfhelphomeopathy.com. We have 30 different programs in a variety of topics, from acute back pain to cold and flu to autism spectrum disorders. The great thing about these programs is that in addition to focusing on a specific ailment, they also offer an introduction to general homeopathic and holistic medicine. So if you've ever wanted to learn about homeopathy and how it can help you, this is a great place to start. Visit us at selfhelphomeopathy.com.
Here is a brief clip from this program suggesting homeopathic remedies that are useful in treating this condition. One of my favorite remedies for stage fright is aconite, aconite napellus or monk's hood. This is very useful, particularly when the anxiety is severe. There often is a feeling of panic, and they can have panic attacks that are associated with the event. The anxiety can be so severe that they feel a sense of terror or are beside themselves with anxiety. Typically they are worse around twilight, and their symptoms can come on very suddenly and go away very suddenly and violently. Also with their anxiety there is great restlessness. They also tend to be quite hurried and very impatient. It's a very thirsty remedy. They tend to want to drink a lot with their nervousness, and they crave company. They want people to be with them. And their anxiety can also take the form of feeling like they're going to die from the anxiety. It's so severe. The next one of the main remedies for stage fright is argentum nitricum, or silver nitrate. These individuals tend to be quite impulsive and often very irritable, and there can be weeping with their irritability. It's probably more useful for anticipatory anxiety, particularly anticipatory anxiety that's associated with a lot of diarrhea. They can be very fearful of being late, and they often will get to the event far in advance. They also can become so fearful that they will avoid any situation in which they may encounter stage fright. They also are worse being alone, and they prefer company. There often are GI symptoms that are associated with their fear of public speaking, and that includes a lot of flatulence, and their farting can be very loud and noisy, or belching, and they can have very loud and prolonged belches. And oftentimes they feel much better after they get the gas out. As I mentioned, they also can have a lot of problems with diarrhea, particularly with anticipatory diarrhea. There can be mental problems, difficulty focusing at the time of the event. They tend as people to be very suggestible, and they are worse with their anxiety symptoms on the morning on awakening.